Three of the smartest machines ever built are now fighting for the same job, and only one of them fits what you actually need. By 2026, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude aren't just chatbots anymore. They're research assistants, coders, and search engines rolled into one. Together, they field billions of queries every single day, quietly replacing how millions of people find information. The gap between them is now about strategy, not just intelligence. Each one made a very different bet on how the future of thinking machines should work. Understanding those bets tells you exactly which to pick. So we broke down all three across the things that actually decide your day: writing, coding, research, and raw honesty. ChatGPT's superpower is its ecosystem. It plugs into web search, image generation, voice, custom GPTs, and a massive plugin marketplace, all inside one app. For most people, it's the Swiss Army knife. Not always the sharpest at any single task, but the most versatile tool you'll reach for daily. Its writing feels natural and confident, and its voice mode can hold a real-time conversation that almost feels human. But there's a catch. ChatGPT's best features often sit behind a paywall, and its answers can sound confident even when they're wrong. If you need airtight accuracy for legal or medical work, you always have to verify. Never blindly trust the polished tone. Next up is the challenger built by the company that basically indexes the entire internet. Gemini's edge is Google. It's wired directly into search, Gmail, Docs, YouTube, and Android, so it can pull real-time information and act across your entire digital life. Its context window is enormous, meaning it can read entire books or hours of video in a single prompt without losing track. Imagine dropping an entire book, a spreadsheet, and a video into one prompt, and getting a single clear answer back. Gemini is also aggressive on price, with generous free access built into products billions already use. For students, researchers, and anyone deep in the Google world, it's the natural default, the AI you don't even have to open a new app to reach. Then there's the quiet one, the model that fewer people talk about, but power users swear by. And the wildest part is coming, because the third contender quietly became the favorite of serious professionals for one surprising reason. Claude, made by Anthropic, was built around safety and reasoning first. Developers rank it as one of the best coding assistants on Earth, and its writing feels thoughtful rather than robotic. It's the AI that admits when it doesn't know something instead of inventing an answer. Writers, lawyers, and engineers keep choosing it because its output needs less cleanup. It just gets the nuance right. Claude also introduced artifacts and computer use tools, letting it build working apps and operate software on your behalf. But it's more cautious than the others. It can refuse edgy requests, and its live web awareness lags behind Gemini's. It's a specialist, not a generalist. So, three very different personalities. But how do they actually stack up when you put them head-to-head? For everyday questions and creative writing, ChatGPT still feels the most natural and fun. For research, huge documents, and free everyday use, Gemini's reach is unmatched. And for coding and precise professional work, Claude quietly leads the pack. The truth nobody tells you is that these gaps are shrinking fast. Every few months, the leader changes again. That's why locking yourself into one forever is a mistake. Many power users now keep two open at once, one for daily chat, another for their specialty. The real skill isn't picking a winner, it's knowing which tool fits which task. Think about how you actually work before you commit. That decides everything more than any benchmark ever will. If you want one app for everything and love a friendly, chatty style, choose ChatGPT. If you live inside Google and want power for free, choose Gemini. If your work demands accuracy, careful reasoning, or serious code, choose Claude and don't look back. Whichever you pick, remember they all still make things up sometimes, so double-check anything that really matters. The AI race isn't about one model conquering all of them. It's about three giants pushing each other so hard that you, the user, keep winning better tools for less money every single year. The smartest choice is staying flexible. There's no single best AI, There's only the best one for what you're trying to do right now. So match the tool to the job and stay curious.